So come on and play in a world that's waiting for you. We're about to begin, so come on in. There's so much to do at school, and you can do anything if you try. With friends like Timothy by your side, there's a new adventure in everything we do. We'll all be together, and you can come too. When Timothy goes to school,